What are we doing here?
We're picking up the rims for the Tesla, winter rims. Oh, that smelly smell.
A smelly smell that smells smelly.
Oh my god, that actually looks really good.
What the hell? Perfect. Yeah, it actually turned out really well. Trying to stuff things between just in case. They turned out way better than I was expecting. That is for sure.
I mean, I knew they were gonna look good. Honestly, with the silver, I knew they were gonna look good.
I did too, but it literally looks like they're like brand new.
Yeah. All right, so this is all for Brendan's Tesla, so he could drive in the winter. We got tires and we got rims, so let's take a peek at the tires.
I overnight tires from China.
You need help?
I think we have a problem.
Get out the way. I don't know if I'm gonna make it because someone parked their Tesla so close.
I'm watching in 4K. Right, there's the tires. Strong man. Look at this nugget. Still sitting on Summers. Careful, careful. Reveal.
Got the
You
new
can actually see through the foam.
faceless wheels. Ta-da!
Whoa, look at that. It's Christmas came early.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Patrick, the lid's already off.
All right, that's it. That's all you get.
That's all you get to see. Ooh.
Way better than what we were expecting. I
Yeah.
thought you'd be able to see every single grind mark from me and the previous owner.
The previous owner. Well, time to mount them. See, this is why you told me to throw out that rag, huh?
Don't worry about it.
Tires are mounted and balanced. Time to slap them on the Tesla. I honestly forgot how much snow there was outside. So this is gonna be fun. Oh, he's doing his thing. He's doing his thing. He's locked in. So we gotta take the fast FCs off and slap on the TEs. Had to interrupt the time lapse already just because we're happy with the way this looks. That fitment though.
I mean, it's up. Obviously, when it goes down, it's gonna sink in and tuck. That's why I wanted a stock size tire.
It's weird to see this thing in silver.
The silver goes so hard. Can't say anything else other than if you like colors, you're either a drifter or you're young.
Or unwanted,
Or
unloved.
unwanted.
So what do you guys say about your Vorsteiners, I mean your Fast FCs? You gonna miss them?
I will, but it's nice to change shoes every once in a while.
Yeah. Sometimes your feet get cold, you gotta wear different shoes, right?
Time stamp! They may be for sale. Look at the feathering. Look how flat this is, look how not flat, flat, not flat. I could hear this every time I was driving.
Forget about that, this is a thick tire, boy. Nice.
Oh my god, there's a bulge in the sidewall.
Is it really?
Right here.
Oh no. So these tires are garbage.
Damn it!
Oh no.
I wouldn't have seen that, I'm glad I saw that.
That would have been bad, actually.
Okay, so I'm gonna need new rears at least, that's okay.
One season.
Legit 1 season on these tires.
That's crazy. Anyways, let's put the rear back on. Moment of truth. That front fitment is nasty. Woo.
Okay, even the rear fitment's pretty good. So they're both flush. The front just the wheels turn.
Maybe the front pokes out a tiny bit more. That's great.
Damn, and it still has to go down a little bit more.
So compare the Teehee side to the Fast FCs.
What do you like?
Yeah, which one do you like better? Should Brennan just run these in the winter next time? Or this year even? Okay, I have to film this. So we were just replacing the wipers. Since the wiper flew off, Brennan just put the rag here, and now he thought it was a genius idea to leave it in the freezing weather. And now we're having a hard time getting it off, so.
Literally, as they say, sea stiff.
What'd you use this rag for before, huh?
Don't worry about it. It's not the water that made it freeze. This is like a sick joke. Like, oh, I almost slipped. Bro, what is this?
2,000 years later.
We're picking up after a couple months since we last filmed, where we installed the tires on the Teehee 37s. These are not Teehee 37s, they're Teehee 37s, so they're reps.
They're Teehees.
So we thought this video would be incomplete without installing some stickers to kind of, you know,
Yeah, the instructions.
make it look good. That's why I designed some Volk Racing style stickers. So they're kind of very specific for this build. So I designed these to kind of look like the Volk Racing stickers. So instead of it saying Volk Racing, it's got Driven to Reality, but in their style font. And instead of it saying Ray's Engineering, I thought it'd be pretty funny for it to say Reps Engineering. This will be kind of my first time seeing how they're mocked up. That looks pretty good to me. Hopefully this fools people. I want people to think that these are TE37s until they look kind of close and they see they're TEs. We forgot to show the before of these wheels. They were really scuffed before, which is why we're really happy with the way they turned out. Previous owners, whoever had these before, they powder coated them and then tried to sand that down and then painted over it. But they tried to sand it down with like what, like a 20 grit sandpaper.
Somebody took 40 to 80 grit sandpaper and just went to town, realized that the coating was too thick and they couldn't take it off, and they said, screw it. Got some black spray paint, sprayed over it, and put the rep stickers on.
I'll try to include videos and pictures. I don't know if it'll really capture the details or if you can really tell how they looked before, but they were not good. So now, time to install them stickers. That was really good.
Don't kill me.
Oh my god. It needed that, man. It was missing that for so long. For the longest time, we've been wanting to put on a sticker, and we were gonna put on, you know, like this DTR style sticker, but it just didn't suit it. That's why we had to. It didn't sit right. That's why we had to design this one. And I think it looks really good. And you can tell on camera too, it's holographic.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. If you like the content that we just put out, or any content that we put out, hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment, because this car is going to be on the channel. It's going to be doing some pretty big things that not many other Teslas are doing, and hopefully it'll bring more Tesla owners to do more fun stuff like this. But you'll have to stay tuned to see what we have planned.